This video is going to demonstrate how you can easily integrate Nearpod lessons into your Google Classroom assignments. To begin, we first need to install the Nearpod add-on. Come to the Classwork tab, choose Create an Assignment, and we're going to come to the add-on section down here in the bottom right corner. Click on the three dots and select Explore Add-ons. You can either scroll through or you can simply type in Nearpod and search for it. Click on Nearpod and install. Confirm your account and continue. Next step will be to grant access to Nearpod to your Google Classroom. And once the install is complete, you will receive a message that it is done, and you can click Done and exit out of this dialog box. You will now see that Nearpod appears in the bottom of your add-ons for your use.
Once you have installed the Nearpod add-on, you can now assign lessons into your Google Classroom directly from the add-on. The advantage of using the Nearpod Google Classroom add-on is it's easy to share the Nearpod decks directly into your Google Classroom, and it also allows you to grade the interactive Nearpod slides within Google Classroom itself. To do this, click on the Nearpod add-on, sign in with Google, choose your account, and click Continue. Click Allow to give it all the permissions, and now you are in your Nearpod lessons. To assign a lesson, click on it, and if you're planning to choose student-paced, click on that, and click on Add to Assignment. This will now add the assignment with the title into your Google Classroom. You can now do all the other adjustments within your Google Classroom and then click Assign. The assignment is now available in Google Classroom for your students to complete at their own pace. When the student goes to the Google Classroom, they will see the assignment posted for them. The student can then click on the assignment, and if it's the first time they're using this process, they would have to click on their login, click Sign in with Google, click Continue when they see their name, and this will open up the lesson for them. Since it's student-paced, they can advance through the lesson at their own pace and complete all the activities within the lesson. When the student has completed all the activities, they can click the Turn In button. On the teacher end, you can now see that the assignment has been turned in. To grade it, you can click on it, click on the assignment. Nearpod will now generate a PDF report of the student's work. It will show you the overall percentage of participation by the student. And as you scroll down, it will show you all the activities the student has completed. And if the student has not answered any of the specific activities, you will also see where it says no answer. You can now add a grade for this assignment directly in Google Classroom and return it to the student. Using the Nearpod add-on in Google Classroom makes it very easy to assign lessons into Google Classroom and grade within Google Classroom.